Hello, members of GAHFU channel. My name is Cheryl Morales. I am the founder and president of Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United here in Los Angeles. I would like to welcome you to our segment of the Garifuna Forum Online. Hello, my name is Cheryl Morales. Thank you again for joining us for our second segment about Garifuna music. This topic of discussion is based on an article written by Ronnie Figueroa. Let's salute the new king of Punta. Many Garifuna artists and bands have been calling themselves, or they have been labeled by their fans with the title of the King of Punta. It's really hard to wear that label today if we take into account what merits are to make you worthy of that. For example, are you an artist that draws multitudes to your concerts? Are you an artist that sells a considerable amount of records or downloads? Are you an artist who has millions of views on social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and now TikTok? Let's examine this premise. Selling records is a thing of the past, as hardly anybody today makes compact discs to sell during their concerts or even online, which will have to be shipped. In addition, Garifuna music industry is non-existent if we take into account that we do not have a major label that carry and support sales, concert, and cater to their fans. I know what you're thinking now when I mention we have no major record labels, and you may want to throw in names such as Mario Cotto, MC Production from Florida via Honduras, Stone Tree Records, owned by Ivan Duran from Benque Viejo del Carmen in Belize, or even Vera Good Production from Brooklyn via Honduras, owned by Hector and Vera, and Alegria Production from San Diego via Honduras. Let's not forget Garifuna Enterprises, which was a partnership among Hector and Vera, Raymond Martinez, Benny Solano, Jorge Marin, and Vilo Lopez. Then we say, well, but Ivan Duran and Mario Cotto are not Garifuna, and they just exploit Garifuna. Or, well, but Garifuna music is not that big enough to be able to support a record label or even support musicians to get up there. Ronnie decided to look at YouTube and examine who the real players are in this new age technology. I was surprised, said Ronnie, to find out that some of the videos that have millions or more views featuring Garifuna artists are as old as 11 years and as new as 1 year or less. Take, for example, Lil June and his #1 hit, OMG. This video has been so successful on YouTube, Lil June Afro Punta Topics channel, that it has over 5.7 million views with 14.6 thousand subscribers in 1 year as of today date, March 18, 2021. I remember, said Ronnie Figueroa, when Lil June asked me to do the voiceover introduction of his Afro Punta album featuring DJ Labuga, which is also a video with only 15,000 views 3 years ago. But this album was his first big success, a stepping stone to what was about to come next. Lil June told me while recording the intro right in my house in Long Beach, something that goes like this. Labuga, I am recording this album and I want you to hear it because I am tired of listening to the same Garifuna music with the same style where the drums are so protruding that kill the song. I want to add my own touch to it, and this is what I am calling it. Afro Punta, the album. Lil June's next most viewed song is Hala, a visual video with 1.1 million in 2 years. This other channel, Afro Punta, has of today 18.2 thousand subscribers. Subscribers are important in YouTube channel because they are the first one to get notified when you publish a new video. The second most popular video is Asiatic and Griga Boy's Punta Music, Crazy Fiwi, with 7.2 million views in 11 years though. This video is featured in King Stamina, the long-lasting brand, with 8.65 thousand subscribers. The next most watched video goes to Super G and his song Muévelo, with 5.6 million viewers in 9 years under the YouTube channel of Junior Joker for Life with 9.8 thousand subscribers. Then we have the song by Clayton Williams, Garifuna Millenium, which shows up on YouTube as Garifuna Millenium official music video, Hopkins Believes, with 1 million views in 6 years. This video is under YouTube Out the Box Films Believes with 4.49 thousand subscribers. Now enter Mario Cotto's MC Production Inc. company number P960000436650 with an inactive status out of Florida, USA, listed as an agent and director. His company has had a number of Honduran bands, which are mostly made up of Latino musicians and 1 or 4 token Garifuna musicians or dancers. Some of these bands have been around for decades in Honduras, touring locally, but most under MC Production Inc. label when they tour cities in the United States. Some of these bands have been around for decades in Honduras, touring locally, but mostly under the MC Productions label when they tour cities in the United States once or twice a year. Bands such as Los Rollins, Casabe, Los Profesionals, Los Gatos Bravos, Las Chicas Rollins, just to name a few. The most success attributed to these bands has come from recording and touring, playing traditional Garifuna songs or new songs sang in combination of Garifuna and Spanish lyrics. Mario Cotto has been in business for a long, long time. He knows what he's doing, and he knows how to keep a tight hold on his musicians from different bands in Honduras all the way from Florida. But this is not an article written to complain and rant about Mario Cotto or Ivan Duran because they are not Garifuna, and they continue to benefit from doing business using Garifuna assets. We are tired of complaining because it has been done so many times without any positive outcomes. Hector Alvarez said in regards to Mario Cotto and the musicians who work for him. He figures he pays them year-round like regular employees, but the music business is a different animal, end quote. This article is about waking up to a new reality and to realize that Garifuna artists and promoters as such need to look at social media as an ally. You no longer need a label or an agent to make it big, even though having one does make life easier. Hector Alvarez stated that it's a new day out there. Artists and or their management need to invest in quality videos and get it out there on social media, taking a page out of Lil June's book. Casabe El Chambe official video, Música Catracha 2020 has 1.5 million views so far in just 4 months. It is listed under YouTube MC Production Inc. channel. This channel has 192,000 subscribers, but his most successful song is Casabe La Paranda Se Be. Official video, Punta de Honduras. Música Catracha 2019 has over 20 million views in 1 year alone. Catracha is a synonym for Honduras. Casabe has 3 Garifuna musicians in its ranks. Among them, the main singer Tucuman, Nipuman, the conga player and singer, as well as the 3 beautiful Garifuna dancers who add their own flavor to the band. There is another video from MC Productions that has 8 million views, and that happens to be from Chica Rollins. The song is listed as Chicas Rollins PAI official video. Punta de Honduras Música Catracha, 8 million views in 6 years. And finally, another band under Mario Cotto's label, Los Rollins, but this video was uploaded by a third party 12 years ago named Box with 49.4 thousand subscribers. The song is Los Rollins Tiquita Tiquita with 6.7 million views. I guess Mario Cotto can't control everybody and everything, and this one escaped his tight hold on his empire, says Ronnie Figueroa. Let's salute the new king of Punta Rock. Yay! Jose Junior Alvarez, aka Lil June, the Punta Show with a Latino accent, Cho. Born in Brooklyn, New York, He came out of the ranks of Sensation Band, which he and his cousin John Jon started in 2006. He started his career at the age of 8 years old, playing in his father's band called Garifuna Millenium Band. His father also played in a very popular band back in the 1990s called Estrellas Ubou. Thank you so much for joining us for this segment. Again, this segment is based on an article written by Ronnie Figueroa, the CFO and co-founder of Garifuna American Heritage Foundation. Don't forget to subscribe to our GAHFU channel and leave a message. Bye-bye. See you later.